Putting candy in Halloween in baranggay. What kind of put candy you want? First we put the greens and we get through them. And next get the orange and do like this. And get the gum and do like this and get the lollipop and not that much together, pull the part together. Next the other one, let's do again. Need the next to do it again. But next first we have to find the opening in the plastic. So you find it, put the candy in. And do like this. And you match the candy together and then the plastics. Then the cake and match it.
So the candy that you're putting.
And trick or treating, you find different kind of candy. And the gum, lollipops, the gum, and different kinds of candy. If we're putting candy together, we have to be safe in Halloween. And why? You see, in a baranggay Halloween, you need to put candy in here. But you can not match together, put them apart. Put it there.
Put it here, put it on this side.
Oh, that.
Oh, you mix again.
Huh?
Oh, that's too pretty.
Sorry. And get the
Show them what you're putting.
don't allow the mix the candy together because if you mix the candy, it's not gonna fit. Like this candy and this candy, be not together, and this candy and this not together, and this candy and this one not together, and there's no partner. What to do? That's why you put the partners. They put the partners. And first one is the partners. No things the partners is the same. Next, not the partners. Hit it next plastic. Oh, the plastic board. It's time to make a trick or treating. You have to put candy in the same like this. The partners put them here and the partners here. If this partner is not the partner, it's not your partner. Those are not the partners, Mom. You put them there. Push the partners. Look at the scratch. Time to put the partner. The partner seems to be good. One good is the partner tastes good. Next, not the partners. Next, plastic.
Finished product.
We finished the product. We are done. Next one is this plastic here. You see the plastic. You see the sign here. Like here. That is not the opening. See, it's not opening. This one has no opening. This has no one. This is the opening. You get the partners together. This is not the point. And they put them together again. Partners is a little bit important. They look good. Not that eating candies is bad in your teeth.
So brush your teeth after.
Brush your teeth every day in 3 days and 5 days. And the candies do not taste good. That are not allowed in your mouth. Things happen to your teeth if you eat so much. If you eat so much candy, you have stomach ache. You got stomach ache. You get your stomach. You get hurt forever. You have to eat vegetables and drink water and drink different things. Candies are all the things eating things. Like partners, the same thing. Like the same partners.
What happened?
And these are not the partners. No, get to put the partners here. And bind them. The partners is important. You have a cousin in your house. That's your partner, right, Mom? Your partner.
I don't know.
That's right. And being a nuns, you're not the same with them. That's not your partner. The big next plastic. If this is to imagine this is all your dreams, but one different. What you do? Push throw it away. Next buy a new one. What you choose?
Eat it.
Eat it. No. Obviously throw it away because it's different. And the candy.
Bilisan mo na. Hurry. We're almost done.
I did put the partners now. Speed jump. This is the partners. You have a brother and cousin and twins. That's your plan, I mean, that means you have a twin and a big twin. It's not the biggest, it's like 10 years old, 12 years old, and 15 years old. No things happen to brother accidentally died. Imagine my brother put this plastic. What is this?
Bakit yung dahil? Ano sasabi ko?
Huh? What? I put the plastic in. Do you want to throw your weight in here? Imagine you put this is you, and you got throw away. What do you do?
Hurry na, hurry. We're almost done.
And we almost done, but some more. You see, you did like this, not the same. Bye bye guys. See you again in my video.